Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming by. As you can tell from the title, today I have some FabFitFun summer edit spoilers. I just got the email that said that they were going to have their FabFitFun summer edit sale starting on Monday, so I went out and did a little research, and I've got a few products that are going to be in the sale to show you. In case you don't know, what the FabFitFun edit sales are is about a month after they release all of the seasonal boxes, spring, summer, fall, and winter. They have an edit sale where they sell a lot of products for at up to 70% off. And they're saying that this sale is going to have more than 100 products, and I have about 15 to show you. I'll run through them quickly, don't worry. And they can be up to 70% off, and some of these are really great products. If you are an annual member, which they call a select member, the sale starts Monday, July 1st at 9 a.m. And if you're a seasonal member, it starts Thursday, July 4th at 9 a.m. And for everybody, it ends on July 10th at 11:59 p.m. So what you do is you go in and you select the items that you want. You add them to your cart. And whatever is left in your cart at 11:59 on July 10th, you will be charged for. So if you don't want it in there, or if you think you're going to change your mind, be sure and go back in before the 10th at 11:59. You would not believe how many people talk afterwards about, oh my gosh, I forgot to take some of that stuff out. So just be aware. If you order over $25, the shipping is free. And again, you have to be a subscriber to FabFitFun to participate in the edit sale. And last I checked, the summer box was still available. My link is below. If you want to go and check, you'll save $10 off the summer box. And just for the record, before we get into the box, for everybody that watched my Hank and Henry subscription unboxing and wished I had tried on the Petal Pink lip instead of the nude one that I tried, it's not Petal Pink, it's Petal Pusher. This is the Petal Pusher lip. It's kind of dark, but I like it. Okay, enough about that. Moving on. Just wanted you guys to have a chance to see it on. So we only have prices on 3 of the products. The other ones are just the pictures of items that we're going to have the opportunity to purchase in the edit sale when it opens. So let's start with the ones we have prices on. The first is an eye product called Caring, and it's a revitalizing eye cream. And this is what that looks like. This is by Dr. Karen Grossman and will be $21 instead of its original $70. The next is the Mia Del Mar Cafecito eyeshadow palette that's normally $30, and we have access to it for $11, and this is what that looks like. It has 2 mattes, 1 metallic, 9 shimmers, and a dual-ended brush. And the last one we have a price for is the Tribe Alive Throw that is normally $168, and we can get for $49. This is what that looks like. It is 50 by 60 inches and 100% cotton. Okay, now I'm just going to run through the other sneak peek ingredients really quickly so you'll get an idea of what's going to be in the sale. This is the Mia Del Mar Novarella palette. Here's a cute pink visor by the company Lack of Color. Next, we have a hot styling brush from Aria Beauty, #hairgoals. This is the Kate Somerville Retinol Firming Eye Cream. They will be offering the original oil by the brand Riddler. Next, we have the Glow Mask by the company Frank Body. And this is tanning water by the company Fake Bake. And next, we have the Ofra Beverly Hills Highlighter. This is a mineral sunscreen SPF 30 by Bare Republic that's for the face. And this is the Gravity's Original Weighted Blanket. And here's a charcoal deodorant from Clio and Coco. And next, from Agapantha Jewelry, we have Rose Gold Sweetheart Studs. And last but not least, from the Paper Source, we have thank you cards. They say the sale is going to have beauty, lifestyle, fitness, wellness, the whole gamut of products that they generally offer. And like I said, there'll be more than 100, up to 70% off. And the sale starts Monday if you're an annual and Thursday if you're a seasonal, but you have to be a member. I just wanted you to know what I knew about FabFitFun because I get so excited about these edit sales. Thank you so much for coming by. I will let you know if I find out anything more about the sale. And please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when my next video comes out. And I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.